A motor center carries out servicing of cars, which includes the replacement of parts. Three service technicians can each do 5 services per day. Normally, they work Monday to Friday, but sometimes one technician will also work on Saturday. Each car requires one air filter, one oil filter, one quantity of engine oil, and 4 spark plugs. The parts are purchased in bulk and come in boxes containing the quantities shown below. Air filter 8 per box, oil filter 20 per box, engine oil 4 per box, and spark plugs 80 per box. How many boxes of each item is it necessary to buy each week? If the motor center is to carry out the maximum possible number of services. Now we have the options there. Now what we have is that we need to fix a car, and in the car we need to have one air filter, one oil filter, one quantity of engine oil, and 4 spark plugs. If I have that amount of elements, I can fix, or the technician can make the service for the car. This information is provided for per week, 8 air filter per box, 20 oil filter per box, 4 engine oil per box, and 80 spark plugs per box. Now we have 3 technicians, and each technician could do 5 services a day. That means that during the day they can do 5 times 3, totaling 15 services a day. Now, if they make 15 services a day, if we multiply this number times 5 in a week from Monday to Friday, we will have 75 services a week, which means 75 cars done. So in order to fix 75 cars, I will need 75 air filter, 75 oil filter, 75 quantities of engine oil, and 300 spark plugs. Now this 300 is gotten because I multiply these two numbers, 4 times 75. And when we make this multiplication, then I get this one, this number. Now, I have the answers, and we can start making the analysis from the answers for air filter. Let's start with letter A. Now, in a week, I need a minimum of 75 air filter. Therefore, if these people buy 4 air filter, in the box they only have 8, giving a total of 32, which is a number that is not sufficient for the week. Therefore, letter A is going to be not going to be used. And in the same analysis, we will cross out B because it will be the same result. Now we have letter C and letter D. Let's start making the analysis with letter C. If they buy 10 air filter, we can make it that we in the box we have 8, so totaling 80. It means that during the week they're going to use 75 and leaving 5 extra for the following Saturday just in case somebody start working. The same is going to happens with the 4 oil filter. So 4 air filter times 20 that comes in the box give me 80. So still I'm going to have the 75 and leaving me 5 extra for the Saturday just in case they go to work. But if I continue, I will have 19 engine oil. So in this case, it will be 19 times 4, giving me a total of 79. That means that I can still work on Saturday, but I can only fix only 4 extra cars on Saturday. If it comes another one, I will still have time to make the service, but I will not have material. So I need an extra one. Therefore, in D, I have 20 engine oil. Sorry, let me take this one. So this is gonna be the wrong answer. But instead, then we're going to use 20, which is in letter D. 20 times 80, no, 20 times 4 gets me 80. And I will have the 75 for the week and 5 extra for Saturday, just in case I come to work. And of course, the plugs have 80 times 4. 80 times 4, giving me 320. Which in total, what I need in the week is 300, leaving me 20, which is enough for 5 cars. So, in conclusion, what I need is this answer, letter D. That will be all.